Dan il-podcast joffri spazju fejn il-mistiedna jesprimu l-ħsieb personali b'mod liberu u responsabbli fuq suġġetti varji, mhux neċessarjament ikun hemm qbil mal-opinjonijiet tal-mistednin. Għalhekk nistiednu lill-udjenza sabiex tevalwa l-argument miġjub u bl-ebda mod ma jsir attakk personali fil-kummenti. Hija l-intenzjoni tal-produtturi li dan il-podcast ikun spazju fejn il-libertà tal-espressjoni tiġi dejjem imħarsa b'responsabbiltà u b'rispett sħiħ.
Perhaps we need some outside universal threat to make us recognize this common bound. I occasionally think how quickly our differences worldwide would vanish if we were facing an alien threat from outside this world.
Mela kit, illum ser namlu regression therapy kif temna. Kull ma ħajħossok ir-rilassat, se tkun konxu ta' x'inhu jiġri madwarek, ġifieri l-ipnożi qatt ma tkun unconscious. Tkun jiġri tkun ġewwa fik l-immaġinazzjoni tiegħek tinfetaħ u se jkollok a very pleasant experience. Daw l-esperjenzi li qed nagħmel miegħek ma' Sayan, ma' Ricky, mhumiex xi magics, mhumiex xi affarijiet ta' barra minna u mhumiex biss għall-kursità biss, meta bniedem jagħmilhom daw u jkun kapaċi jirrilassa moħħu f'stat ta' ipnożi, ikun qed iġib ċertu feeling minn ġewwa fih, ċertu healing u feeling of well-being. Ġifieri dawn l-affarijiet nagħmluhom għal personal development, għas self-improvement u kif ukoll biex bniedem iħossu aħjar miegħu innifsu. Ġifieri fil-ipnożi li ħajħoss mind-body connection u kull ma tittamel tisma' l-vuċi tiegħi u tirrilassa. Jekk inti lest tieħu l-esperjenza miegħi tgħidli all right u nibdew trid. Okay. Tlaqna. Mela nixtieqek tagħmel huwa tħares lej idejja, okay? Ħares lej idejja u hu nifsil ġewwa. Nifsil barra. Allow your body to relax. Breathe in and out. U ser nagħlmek kif tidħol fl-ipnożi llum. Breathe in powerfully. Hold it and breathe out. That's right. And I'm going to close your eyes now. Close your eyes all the way down. And I'm going to count from 10 to 1. And each number I count, you will allow yourself to go into a deep state of trance. This is your personal hypnosis, your positive hypnosis, to experience something beautiful today. 10. Breathe in and out, and each breath you take, you go deeper and deeper relaxed. That's right, 9. Hypnotic sleep, deep sleep. Tell yourself that you're gonna go in a sort of trance. Your body becomes heavier. Your mind becomes still. 8. Drifting, dreaming, relaxing all the way down. 7. Drift down, sink down. Allow the sound of my voice to drag you, drop you, drift you into a deep state of hypnosis. 6. 5. Every nerve, every muscle key relaxes completely. Allow yourself to go deeper and deeper on the count of 5, halfway there, so numb, so comfortable, deep hypnosis, so relaxed. The sound of my voice is going down with you into a deep state of relaxation and sleep. 4, 3, the deeper you go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper and deeper you go. Allow the sound of the music, the sound of my voice, the sound of my thoughts to drag you down deeper and deeper asleep too. Allow your mind to soften. Allow your body to completely relax. Relax the little muscles around your eyes. Relax your eyebrows. 1. completely sinking, Keith, drifting, dreaming. From this moment on, each sound you hear, each breath that you take, drags you down deeper and deeper asleep. That's right. Drag, drift, drop, asleep, and a hypnotic sleep now. And as you listen to the sound of my voice, allow your energy to become calm. Allow your spirit to roam free. And I want you now to imagine that you're floating on a white, puffy cloud. Just float in bliss and happiness on this white, puffy cloud now. And look at the blue sky and just surrender to the relaxation and hypnosis. You are safe, secure, and feeling fantastic. Visualize, imagine, hear, and feel yourself drifting on a white puffy cloud. And as you float and drift and dream, relax every nerve of your body. Relax your mind as you now imagine a tranquil scene like a beach, a forest, or a mountain, or a lake. See this scene now and quiet your mind. From this moment on, my suggestion becomes your absolute truth. Your mind and body are in sync as you continue to look and drag deeper into this beautiful scenery. Notice and feel a sense of happiness and calm and determination. Imagine now a wave of hypnotic relaxation coming from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, deeper and deeper still. Just now imagine how good it feels if you are deeply hypnotized. You are now in hypnosis. How wonderful hypnosis feels. Incredible state of bliss. No cares, no worries. Just bliss and focus and concentration. As this hypnosis is a beautiful state of wonderful insight and relaxation. Today we set the intention of your inner mind, your subconscious mind, that we want to discover one of your past lives. Using the state of hypnosis and opening the subconscious mind now like a flower, we will remember an unhidden memory from your past life. You are ready to remember right now. I'm going to guide you like I did many others to see yourself, feel yourself in the past life. You're doing so great, that's right. I will count from 1 to 20, and you will drag into a somnamblistic state, into a sleepwalking state, into a state of deep hypnosis. And then we will start the regression deeply. 1. each number I count, each word I utter, each word I say, you drag, you drop, you drift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel yourself becoming younger and younger, floating outside of your body and relaxing more. 5, 6, hypnotic sleep, deep sleep. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, melting in that chair, body so heavy, so numb. 12, 13, 14. Each breath you take drags you, drops you deeper asleep. That's right. 14, 15, 16. You have no cares, no worries. All your stress fades away on the click of my finger now. That's right. Nothing is bothering you now. You're just focused on my voice. Focused on my voice. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Deep sleep. Deep sleep. And now you are ready to begin to regress. Now I'm going to take you back to a happy childhood memory. A happy childhood memory that you have as this human being, as Keith. I'm going to count from 10 to 1, and you will see images, you will feel feelings, you will feel sensations, you will get thoughts and of yourself as a young boy. That's right. 10, 9. Feel yourself getting younger from 46 to 40. In your 30s now, 9, 8. Time is passing when you were 5 or 7. Time is passing now. Fading away. Fading into the distance. You're getting younger and younger in your 20s. See yourself as you looked in your 20s now. 7, 6, 5. You are there now in a happy childhood memory. 4 is getting clearer and clearer. 3. You are there now. Notice your surroundings. Notice your thoughts. Notice your feelings. You could see, hear, or feel, because we are working with energy here. 3, you are there. 2, crystal clear. And 1, you are there now. Embrace it and see it. And I'm going to talk to you really soon. Let it settle in. Let your subconscious mind bring forward anything that it wants to now. And now that's right. You're doing so great. I'm going to talk to you and you can speak to me back. I'm just gonna ask you some basic questions so you get trained of how you can regress. Okay, Keith, you can speak to me back in any language you so desire. Right now, where are you? What do you see? Is it daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Daytime, very good. And do you see any people that you knew in your past?
Yes.
Who are they, please?
I don't know.
That's okay. And where are you? Do you recognize the place?
Yes.
Where's the place?
Next to my mom's home.
Very good. Next to your mom's home. And what are you doing in this happy childhood memory?
I'm playing in a small garden.
Very good. And how old do you think you are, Keith, playing in that small garden now?
Very young.
Very young. Around 5 or 3 or 4?
3, 4.
Very good. And do you have any feelings or thoughts or sensations when you see this little boy once again? That's okay. Allow it to happen. That's okay. You are safe and secure. You are safe and secure. And just let any negative feelings fade away. Because that little boy is safe now. He is an adult. He has his own family. And he has knowledge beyond his belief. That boy is safe and secure. And now I want you to see that little boy. Look him in the eye, because he is your inner child. He is your inner child, Keith. I want you to hug him, like you would hug a boy of 3 years old, and tell him, Keith, everything will be okay. You have passed through bad times, but everything will be okay at the end. I'm going to allow you just brief minutes to hug your little child, your inner boy, and just let it heal now. That's right. Let it heal. Everything will be okay. And now that boy hugs you and tells you thank you for visiting him, because I think the universe brought you to me to meet your inner child once again. He was actually waiting for you. That's why you might gotten a little bit emotional. That's okay. I'm very proud of you. And now that little boy jumps and squeals, and as you wave goodbye to that little boy, you know that you can now move on from your past. Now I want you to imagine that you're floating on a cloud. Let go of the memory of your childhood on the click of my fingers, and imagine yourself now. That's right, comfortably floating away. See the sky, see the white clouds, or hear them or feel them, and go into a deep hypnotic sleep. Now in a moment, as you continue to relax and go deeper, I want you to imagine now that you're walking in a magnificent, mystical forest. And this forest has energies, psychic energies, that will help us regress you to your past life. Just to make it clear for you and also for the audience, when we do regressions, we're working with energy. So a person might think, feel, see, or get ideas in automatic by the subconscious mind. You expect good things to happen as you float and walk on that beautiful, mystical, magical forest. You find a staircase. Imagine you're looking down a staircase, and this is going to lead you to one of your past lives, the one we will discover today. And then leave it to me for all the healing. I will make sure that you are properly healed and properly feeling like €1,000,000 before we leave the studio. 10. Go down that stairs. See yourself going down the stairs now. Your personal stairs. That's gonna lead you to your subconscious mind, to your inner world. 9. Deep hypnotic sleep. Deep hypnotic sleep. 8. Ready to see your past life. 9. Feel your energy and vibration rising. If you have a spirit guide, an angel, or yourself, trust in yourself now that you will be guided. You will be guided. 6. 5. See that portal, that door attracting you, magnetizing you, closer and closer now. 4. 3. Brilliant. 2. 1. Open the door. Notice your change in energy. Notice around you, you find a lot of fog. Chpar, we say in Maltese. Fog. Notice fog all around you, Keith. And the fog will start to clear on the count of 3 as you are whooshing away into the past now. You're in a past life as time is whooshing away like a cuckoo clock back and forth. And that fog is now clearing on the count of 1. You might already see surroundings now. 2. Feel these feelings. 3. The fog starts to disappear, and it becomes clear to you now. This past life, clear to you now. That's right. Allow it to settle in. You are safe and secure, just like watching a movie. Just allow your subconscious mind to remember, to forget, and to remember now. Remember it. In a moment, I'm going to ask you questions, simple, easy questions. You just answer to your best of your ability. It's not a test. It's just a healing experience. That's all it is. That's right. Okay. So, is it daytime or nighttime? You could reply now.
Daytime.
Daytime. Can you look at your feet maybe and see what you are wearing? That's okay. And what do you see around you? Anything that comes to mind, Keith, you could share, and then I'll structure it.
A lighthouse.
A lighthouse, very good.
Rocks.
Rocks.
Sea.
Sea.
Waves.
Waves. Very good. Lighthouse, waves, sea. And do you feel that you are a male or a female?
Male.
A male. And are you with people or are you alone?
No, alone.
Alone. And are you on a boat or on this island or?
On the ground.
On the ground. And how's the weather like? Could you look at the sky, or is it winter?
Cloudy, it's winter.
It's winter, very good. And could you maybe see your reflection or go close to the sea? That's okay. And how do you feel in this scene? Is there any particular feelings this past you might have been feeling?
Calm.
Calm, very good.
Secure.
Secure, very good. And now hold that image, and I'm going to count from 5 to 1, and we will go into another significant memory from this life, from the guy in the lighthouse. So we discover and investigate more of who he might have been. Very good. 5. See time whooshing away back and forth, your spirit rising. 4. Time whooshing away to a significant moment in time of this past you. 3, whooshing away, whooshing away. 2, you are there now. See yourself as you float outside of your body, in that area, in that space. 2 and 1, you are there now. Very good. Allow images, sensations and feelings to come to you now. That's right. And I'm going to ask you normal questions so we continue to dig deep in your subconscious mind. In this new scene, Kate, is it daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Daytime. Are you alone or with somebody?
Alone.
Could you see what type of clothes you are wearing? Or what you feel on your skin?
Coat.
Coat, very good. Very good. And you're the same male figure from the lighthouse?
Yes.
Very good. Does he still feel calm and relaxed and at peace?
Yes.
Very good. Could you maybe look more in your surroundings? How do your surroundings look like now in this significant moment?
Large rocks.
Large rocks.
Moss. Moss like grass. Cliffs. Very big cliffs.
Very big cliffs. And could you maybe look at your hands or any other part of your body to see what maybe race you are or color you are?
White.
White. Old? You're old. You're older than you are now, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. And if you had to say the surroundings you are seeing, could you tie them to any particular country maybe? Are you still Maltese or
No.
English perhaps?
English.
English, very good. The vibe sounds very English. And is he wanting to tell you something, to teach you something from what he has learned in his own life, this older man? Anything that might come up now, allow it to come up, because your past life sometimes will communicate to you, to help you, to guide you, not to make your past mistakes.
He's looking at the horizon.
Looking at the horizon. He seems like he's a wise man. Is he alone, an alone person?
I see a dog.
A dog. And what type of dog, may I ask? You don't have to.
I don't know.
It's okay. It's okay. That's very good. And now, see that image and remember that image, because you have just met your past self. But I'm going to continue to dig even deeper into this man's life, to show you, to help you get more insights about who you were. I'm going to count from 10 to 1, and as I count, you will regress to another memory. This time to a memory when this man has passed away, but you will be safe, because you were already reincarnated into the modern day Keith. But we will get insights of how we died. We get insights because we will learn more about ourselves. 10, 9, 8. See the images fading away, letting go of any negative thoughts, feelings and emotions. 8, 7, 6. See how this man, your past self, has passed away into the other world. 6, 5, 4. You are there now. You are there now. 3. You are there now. It's okay if you get a bit emotional. 3, 2, and 1. Notice there, you are there now. Notice how he has passed away. Any images, thoughts, feelings, sensations, subconscious mind, please bring them to the forefront now. Thank you.
Falling.
Falling. Okay. He has fallen from a cliff? Or has he committed something? Or
Fallen.
from where he has fallen?
Cliffs.
From the cliffs. Okay. And do you feel that he had a painful death or a easy death?
Easy.
An easy death. Was there anyone with him?
No.
He was alone. And how do you feel as you look at this scene?
I feel it's an accident.
You feel it's an accident. That's okay. And now, make peace with that death. Make peace with that life. And I want you to imagine and feel that that person, your past self, is looking at you in the eyes. Notice how he looks. He's looking directly in your eyes, and you feel a sense of bliss and peace. He is so happy that you have visited him because you are him. You have the same soul. And if you like, you could ask him personal insights about your life, how you can improve your own life, and what mistakes he has done, so we clear all the karma from this life. I'm gonna give you some moments now, just a minute, to look him in the eyes. And as you look him in the eyes now, ask him questions. This is such a beautiful opportunity. Ask him questions, and he will reply in forms of thoughts, feelings, and sensations. You could do it now. You're doing very well, Keith. If you would like to share with me or with us, you could tell us some of the insights, but obviously, since this is for a show and not regular regression therapy with me, if you want to keep it right now, if you want to keep it for yourself, that's okay.
Stay away from people.
Stay away from people. And that is a very logical thing that he might have done. Very good. Stay away from me. I'm very happy that you got this insight. And now I want you to continue to relax. Now, and I want you to imagine, let's start the healing now. Imagine a white light, a big hypnotic white light coming from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, healing every cell in your body, removing all past karma, all negative attachments from this life that you just had a glimpse of, and from any other lives. Please, subconscious mind, give Keith permission right now to heal anything he needs to heal, be it emotional, physical, mental, or spiritual. Now we're gonna use the healing white light to heal you. See the healing white light cleansing your mind. All impure thoughts, all negative thoughts cancelling. Now, you have a positive mental attitude from now on. Behind your eyes, you will see the beauty of life. Your ears are the universe's ears. You hear great things, positive news, incredible news. That white light goes in your throat. You can speak your truth. You can be who you are. From this moment on, you speak in a calm and confident manner. You know who you are. You are at peace with yourself. You had undeniable wisdom in your past life. He was a person who has passed from a lot and decided to go into the mountains or into the cliffs. Now see that white light in your heart, your big heart, your sensitive heart, unclenching, open and receptive to abundance. Now that white light goes all the way through your arms, giving you the ability to work creatively with your arms, all the way down to your abdomen, and your back muscles become healthier. Your abdomen, where you hold your energy, becomes clear and consistent with who you want to become. Your legs, your vehicle of life, become strong and healthy and rooted like wood. Very strong. Your tiptoes, your body heals faster and faster. Even when you are not in my presence, you will notice feeling good for no reason. From this moment on, you will feel good for no reason. You will have creative ideas. You will be calm and confident. You will have compassion for yourself now. Very good. You are ready to now imagine and see yourself and feel yourself succeeding. You have a winning self-image from this moment on, and you will be able to put yourself in a hypnotic state to relax when you count from 1 to 3. You love hypnosis, and hypnosis loves you because you know you are capable to achieve this beautiful state. It is far better than you have ever thought it was. And now, I feel and I'm guided to help you do a little bit of inner child work. You will feel wonderful and relaxed and supremely healed. Now I want you to imagine yourself walking in a mystical forest, in a healing forest. Walk there now. See the trees. Hear the beautiful, relaxing music in this forest. There is nothing that can hurt us in this magical, mystical forest. Feel the breeze on your skin. Feel the relaxation entering your body. And see the river flowing abundantly, like abundance flows in your life. And now you notice that you see your younger self again in a distance. Little Keith, the same Keith we've seen earlier. He is sitting there playing in this beautiful forest, and you approach this little you, and you look at little you, and little you looks at you in the eyes, and he knows that you are him, and he knows that you are him, vice versa. Look at him, and you notice he is holding a very heavy backpack. Very heavy backpack. And all that backpack is the baggage he has been carrying from you till he was 3 from 46. All the negative thoughts, images, feelings, emotions, breakups, whatever. All the baggage you've carried on in your life. He has been lifting it on his shoulders. Poor little you. And then you grab that bag And feel a sense of relief now, like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. That's right. And as you take that bag, you open that bag and you find a lot of books, papers. And in those books and papers, there's the negative thoughts, images, feelings about yourself, any people who have wronged you, pictures of them, anything that has hurt you. And start ripping those pages, keep one by one, ripping them away. One by one, faster and faster, faster and faster still, one by one. And then you light a big bonfire, a big fire by the lake. And you decide to put all those papers and books and even the backpack inside the bonfire, and you see them burn, watch them burn, and little you, younger you, squeals in delight. He gets excited that you have now let go. You feel a sense of strength, you feel a sense of power, you feel a sense of affirmation that you are being healed now and forever. And now all those negative thoughts, feelings, emotions, all those books and papers, metaphorically, get burned and turn into dust. As you and little you now enter a helium balloon, a blue helium balloon. It's like those hot air balloons, those big hot air balloons one can find in Turkey or other places. And you enter this hot air balloon, blue hot air balloon with little you, and you fly away in complete bliss and happiness. He loves you and you love him. You love yourself more and more, and from this moment on, even when you arise, you will feel a sense of compassion, love and forgiveness for yourself. Forgive everyone. Forgive yourself right now. And see yourself floating into abyss, into the universe, meeting the higher power. And the higher power tells you, Keith, you're on the right path. And now, as you let go, you take little you to his house, wave him goodbye, he waves you goodbye, and you say to yourself, mission accomplished. I'm going to give you a post-hypnotic suggestion that whenever you say to yourself the word calm, you will feel a sense of power and calm. From this moment on, whenever you say the word calm, you will feel that feeling. You are gonna feel amazing when I awaken you. You are going to feel refreshed, energized, and maybe we could explain to the audience also whilst you are still in hypnosis. Hypnosis is so amazing, it's so great, it's so fantastic, because it feels like you had slept for 8 hours. It feels like you had an 8 hour of sleep. You will feel so refreshed, so energized, so amazing, so fantastic. You will feel incredibly good and proud about yourself, because there's nothing better than connecting with your higher self, your past self, deep healing. And you will be able to explain to the audience what you felt, because you might explain better, because although I know the techniques, when I hypnotize, since I hypnotize impromptu, it's like channeling to me, so you could explain better to the audience now. And when I count from 1 to 5, you will feel refreshed, happy, satisfied and confident. Refreshed, happy, satisfied and confident. You feel there's no one better than you. You're the greatest in the world, but you are humble. Humility is a virtue. 1, feeling good, confident in every way. 2, coming back to full consciousness, enjoying what we have done together and able to explain clearly, positively, fantastically. 3. In your body now, in your body, 4, wide awake. Wide awake. I will make a sound on the 5. 5. You go gently, easily, when you feel like. Open your eyes and welcome back to the room, being grateful and happy for having this experience with me. I really enjoyed it. It was fantastic. Proset. Ħadd pjaċir ħafna. Wow.
Bdejt naraħ bid-daqna bħal tiegħi, b'kappell qisu tal-pannu, ċekketta ta' għaw isu coat tal-pannu minn dawk li kienu jilbsu
Bħal ta' fiddus.
Proset, eżatt.
Jien dak bdejt nivviġwalizza x'in kont għajni għamalu għawis nibdejt naraħu kellu jisu għajneħ żoru.
Għajneħ ċelesti ħafna.
Lalla rajtu jien ukoll.
Qisu l-Irlanda jew Scotland ma dawk il-postijiet.
Wow. X'kombinazzjoni l-University tifakkarni fl-Irlanda x'aktar x'imornu għadim. U tak ukoll insight importanti ħafna to stay away from certain people. Għax naħseb jien kieku kont it-terapist tiegħek x'nista' ngħidlek ħada wisq ġewwa li mar waħdu hemm. U nqata' mis-soċjetà lilek qed jgħidlek stay away from people imma biex issib il-bilanċ. Għax ma sabux il-bilanċ.
Ħassejtu li l-għonet ħassejt li kien qisu il-lighthouse tiegħu jew kien caretaker tal-lighthouse.
Jista' jkun.
Is-lighthouse hija xi ħaġa li mhix soltu li tiġini f'moħħi.
Le.
Dak il-ħin kif għat li vviżwalizza x'inti tara qed nara żewġ għolijiet. Hekk. Qed nara pat u qed nara lighthouse bajda.
L-ewwel biċċa ġifieri.
Lighthouse bajda ġo xifer ta' rdum qisha.
Wow.
U mbagħad meta saqsejtni kif miet ma rajtux jaqa'. Però kull ma rajt il-parti tal-kliff. Isem forma ta' vijek. Però ma rajtux jaqa'.
Imma jisek
ħassejtu li accident, ħassejt li ġaralu xi ħaġa.
X'kifet l-enerġija.
Rajt kelb. Sa jiena I'm a cat person. Klib qatt ma kelli f'ħajti.
Għax inbdilt issa mela. Qabel kont dopp il-klib ma kelb il-fajt.
Rajt kelb qed nara kieku kelli niddiskrivih il-persuna kien inti semmejt li tal-Findus, eżatt. Qed naraħ qisu libes coat, qisu double breasted, bil-kappell tal-pannu, bid-daqna hekk bħal tiegħi, imma qed naraħ xieħ, qed nara l-eyebrows kbar, hekk bil ma nafx hekk rajtx pipa rajtu bideħ fil-but ħares lejn il-baħar. Hekk beyond the horizon rajtu jħares.
Kellu ċertu paċi fih. Kien bridem grounded, mhux fuxi.
Kwiet, però ħassejt malinkonija u solitudni. Dik il-kelma, solitudni. Qisu u l-kelb biss.
Min jaf minn xi xadda iktar għax żgur ma kienx hekk qabel meta kien iżaru u mbagħad u qallek stay away from people ġifieri qed jgħidlek li kien hemm xi ħadd li weġġaw jew telqtu l-mara jew ma naf forsi kellu kien żmien ieħor u kollox imħabba oħra jien naf u spiċċa hemmhekk. Interessanti ta' insight. U bħala session hekk kif tista' tispjegaha kieku tgħid kiex ħadd jgħidlek imma x'in hypnosis taħdem ma taħdimx u eżempju kieku kellek tagħtiha definizzjoni hekk kieku ngħidlek x'ħassejt eżempju u affarijiet hekk mhux x'ħassejt kieku kellek għax issa jiena jisni għallimtek x'inhu hypnosis għax dak jiena għamilta fuqek imma fil-verità inti tkun qed titgħallem kif tidħol għax every hypnosis biex kulħadd ikun jaf huwa self hypnosis. Hypnotist huwa just guide. Fim, ġifieri kieku kellek tispjega.
Mela ara, jien l-ewwel ħaġa li għamilt kienet illi I let go of everything, ġifieri sempliċiment użajt il-mużika bħala qisu qiegħed fuq dajsa bil-mewġ u qed inħalliha dak ir-ritim.
Proset.
Imma mbagħad tiffukajt fuq leħnek biss. U għall-ewwel kont tikka żgħira tikka mela kont relax, però bdejt kont relax. Kont qed naħseb li jiena relax, imma iktar ma bdejta li biex nirrilassa. Bdejt ninduna li l-ftit ta' qabel ma kontx irrilassat, irrilassajt iktar. Bdejt inħoss qisu weight, nieżel. Inti għad li minnhom melting. Ħassek melting. Ħassejt ħafna sħana. Hawnhekk fonqi
enerġija,
speċjalment meta għad li niltaqa' maż-żgħir.
Għamilna healing extra fuq iż-żgħir.
Qed narah liebes ġakketta ħadra b'xi stripes fuq idejha. Rajt ġiex bniet, ġiex titfal b'xarhom isfar.
Ma raftomx. Qabli kienu
ħoti mhumiex għax jiena sobien u uħti żgħira ħafna.
Jew xi ħaġa bhom jilagħbu magħkom.
Ma naħsibx li kuġini laqqas. Issa ħaġa stramba hija li fejn kienet toqgħod ommi ma kienx hemm ġnien. Però niftakar bejn il-blok ta' fejn kienet toqgħod ommi u jien qed narah kbir il-ġnien. Però ma kienx kbir, ġifieri daqs dil-kamra forsi tikk ikbar. Ma forsi għax kont żgħir naf li qed nara bdejt nara żunżan jew naħal żunżan naħseb u qed nara dawk il-fjuri l-irqaq. Ikun hemm ħafna bunch fjuri hekk. Imma fjuri żgħar kollha bunches u qed nara nilab ġol ħaxix. Ma dik kienet ċara. U naf li qed nara ġiex titfalaw. Ma kienux qudiemi, kienu għaw.
Is-subkonxju dik ridek tiftakar?
Ma ċara kienet. ċara. L-iktar ħaġa li xari jisfar.
Ekkont xari jisfar ma ta' konzaj? Anka jien ekkont.
Xari jisfar gold.
Xari jisfar gold kont ukoll.
Xari jisfar gold. Naraħ qiegħed b'saqajh krossjati. Għax meta kont żgħir kont inħobb noqgħod. Fil-ħaxix jew ħamrija interessanti,
ħafna.
Imma glimpse kienet biss.
Glimpse.
Ġifieri kull ma rajt glimpse hekk.
Ix-subkonxju tant għandu memorji fih għax huwa 90% minn moħħna. Tant ikollu memorji affarijiet subliminals memorji tiegħek u hekk. Illi mbagħad jibda jaqla minnu qisu tkun qed taqla minn foto album imma jibda sejjer malaj. Fimt jibda għax ma jkollux kollox ċar. Għax tant hemm informazzjoni li ma tiftakarx kollox konxjament.
Foto album, hekk proset, hekk isna rajt.
Mhux vera.
Hekk isna rajt.
Għax kienet memorja qiegħda stored u normalment mhux ħadd tiftakara imma meta tagħmel ċertu dawn l-affarijiet.
Ma nafx li.
Konsistenta trans.
Għax kieku tajt pereżempju dawk il-ġiex tibniet naf minn huma. Kieku ngħid orrajt, ma nafx minn huma.
Ara kemm jiftakar is-subkonxju għax meta nkunu żgħar, għalhekk nieħdok lura meta tkun żgħir. Meta tkun bej age of 3 to 7, aħna nkunu fi stat jisna sponos, stat ta' ipnożi. Għax nkunu qegħdin nitalmu kull ħaġa li għandna ma nassorbu kollox, eżempju xejduna, bekk ikollna ċertu beliefs li huma diffiċli naqlawhom li jgħidu nomna missierna teachers, etc. Għax nkunu fi stat suġġestibbli ħafna. Fim dak iż-żmien, allura inti kull memorja f'dak iż-żmien tkun qed tixroba. Mhux bħalissa issa forsi tgħaddi. Ġifieri dik hija memorja li qabli kellek U xoroba ma tiftakarix. Konsejta. Kikun iftakar kollox ikunu Einstein.
Għaliex rajt li f'pożizzjoni vulnerabbli fis-sens. Rajt li l-nifsi f'mument fejn jiena kont vulnerabbli ħafna, tipo
ma konċ
mhuwiex il-persuna li jien illum. Illum naqra iktar taf, naqra iktar strong.
Raġel.
Meta rajt li l-nifsi kif kont.
Normali ta' jew normali.
Tajba kienet.
Jien ħadd pjaċiru kol ħafna l-tqajna li għamilta miegħek u xkonna ħbieb u affar. Imma importanti, femtna tajjeb ħafna. Importanti li n-nies jaħsbu li għaxam ħafna misconceptions fuq hypnosis u affarijiet hekk vedin nitkellmu ħalli neħilsu dik il-biċċa u kollha volja għamil ta' da. L-hypnosis mhuwiex xi forma ta' brainwashing, jew mhuwiex xi forma ta' jien ħan ikkontrolla l dak u ieħor jew ħammur il-banka ngħidilhom aqlaw lil flus kollha issa. Ma taħdimx hekk għax kieku ifhimni, kieku nagħmilhaw. Le wara biex niċċajta le jien raġel sew tkunu tafuni. Imma insomma. Hija forma ta' terapija holistika, alternattiva u anka għal speċik biex iħossok relaxed, eżempju, u biex iġib ċertu memorji lura, jew biex forsi tneħħi l-ansjetà, jew biex tkun iktar konfident, taħdem għax taħdem fuq is-subconscious tiegħek. Issa ovvjament mhux għal kulħadd, bniedem irid ikun open mind, lest li jisma', fimt x'jiena ngħidlu, x'm'iniex ngħidlu, u jafda lilu nnifsu fuq kollox. U jafda wkoll lili u kollna ikonna ċertu rapport għax minn rapport ma taħdimx ovvjament. M'hemmx reżistenza da ġifieri taraw fuq ix-shows u hekk. Huwa veru mhux fl-istess ħin għax in-nies illi imorru fuq stage ikunu jridu jipperformjaw, avolja dan ikunu jridu, avolja ma jkunux magħżulin. Jekk inti intażilt biex tmur fuq stage sinjalli tixtieq tisfen u jekk inti meta tieħu tnej whisky, xi ħadd jieħu tnej whisky ukoll jisfen, fimt u jagħmlu kummedjar milli f'stat ta' ipnożi dak huwa jisu forma ta' entertainment li huwa tad-daħk huwa healing fl-istess ħin. Veri m'għandi xejn kontra minnu stage hypnotist. Imma biex ma tħallux il-medja tinfluenzakom u żommkom il-bot mill-personal development tagħkom sewwa għax kull hypnosis huwa self hypnosis fittxu fuq Google u hekk u fejn nista' ngħinkom jien ngħinkom. Dak kull ma nixtieq ngħid biex.
Andrew, thank you ħafna.
Welcome. Għad pjaċir.
Tal-ġen.
Ejwa, grazzi.
Kienet esperjenza vera.
Għadna pjaċir u grazzi lil Sayan Podcast, grazzi lil Kate, kemm tal-ħbiberija, kemm tal-liġi volunteer. Thank you lil Sayan, thank you lil Mirko li hu ħafna ħin għadkom għastafu ta' prezza u kemm jieħu ħin jagħmel daw il-dab b'mod professjonali, ġifieri bdejt isni kważi nihipnotizza li l-nifsi bl-ambjent għax l acoustics affarijiet. Jieħu ħafna ħin kif tafu għaw Malta ħafna qliħ fil-medja u jekk ma jtantx ikun hemm ġifieri apprezzawhom li hemm nies bħal dawn qegħdin jagħmlulkom daw il-podcast u hekk. Jien kien il-pjaċir tiegħi li nedja u nkun parti minn podcast tal-paranormal u affarijiet mhijiex eżatt il-linja tiegħi imma jisom nies l-iktar li jifhmuni. U grazzi tas-support kollu li tatuni u li tatu lill-podcast u lajkjaw, kommentaw u kunu fil-kommenti kunu sensittivi lej kulħadd għax ma tkunx taf minn xi għaddej bniedem, mhux għalija ġifieri qed ngħid għal kulħadd fimt ġifieri qatt tagħmel dak illi ma tixtieqx li n-nies jagħmlulek. Ġifieri daqshekk nkunu sensittivi imma wkoll nirrispettaw il-libertà tal-kelma u grazzi l daw il-podcasts nistgħu nagħmlu ċertu shows u affarijiet hekk ftul ta' ħin li f'mezzi tal-medja tradizzjonali jien qatt ma kelli opportunità illi nagħmel ġewwa Malta. All right, grazzi.
Thank you ħafna Andrew. Thank you.
Thank you. Ħares li punt, ġast tażel punt, all right, u affoka fuqu. All right, prova t-tebtib xajnejk u prova affoka fuqu. All right? Ħankellmek ftit. Breathe in. Hold it. Exhale. Breathe in. Hold it. Exhale. Breathe in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Exhale powerfully. Breathe in. Exhale. I'm going to count from 1 to 10 and keep focused on that spot. And whilst you keep focused on that spot, your eyes will get heavier and heavier with each number I will count. 1. Keep breathing and allow your body to relax. Relax every nerve, every muscle in your body too. Your eyes are getting heavier and heavier. Just allow your eyes to close. 3. That's right. 4. Your eyes are getting heavier and heavier. Your eyelids are getting heavier and heavier. And it feels so good, Ricky, if you can just let go and relax. 5, 6. You are in control. Just allow yourself to drift, to dream, to relax, to go into a sort of dream state now. 8, 9, that's right. 10. Every nerve, every muscle relaxes. I'm going to mention body parts. And each body part I mention, Ricky, that's right, will go completely relaxed and at ease. Bring your attention on your tiptoes. That's right. Relax your tiptoes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calves, your legs. Your tired legs go heavier and heavier now. Heavier and heavier now. That's right. Relax your back muscles, your arms, your chest, going down, 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 down into a meditative altered state. That's right. Relax your shoulders. That's right. Just relax yourself. Make yourself comfortable. Relax your neck. Relax your neck completely. Every nerve lets loose, gets loose, and you go deeper. Your body becomes heavier and heavier on that chair. You are safe and supported. Relax your eyelids. Relax your jaw. Relax your ears, your eyebrows, the crown of your head, the back of your head, relaxing completely. Each sound you hear, the sound of my voice, the sound of the music, the sound of your own thoughts, the sound of your breathing, will drag you down deeper, deeper, deeper down. Allow the sound of my voice to relax you completely. I'm going to count from 1 to 20. In each number I count, you will double, triple, quadruple your relaxation. 1, 2, 3. Deeper, deeper, down, down, down. 4, 5, 6. Down, down, down. 8, 9. Sleep deeper, deeper and deeper. 10, 11, 12. Go in a trance now. That's right. That's right. 13, 14, 15. You are becoming very tired and relaxed, sleepy. 16, 17, 18. Just let go. 19. Your breathing becomes slower and more relaxed. 20. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. You're just going inside of yourself, into your subconscious mind, to remember incredible past memories, which will allow you to do positive lifestyle changes. Today, I want you to imagine that you're floating up a white, puffy cloud, a cloud. That's right. And this cloud is going to take you into the cosmos, into the universe. That's right, float. It feels so good. Put a smile on your face. To float, 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 float. That's right. Into a beautiful realm, into the cosmos, into the universe, feeling loved, feeling supported, feeling blessed by the infinite universe. Here on, your subconscious mind is open to my suggestions. Your subconscious mind is open to remember. Your subconscious mind is receptive to all good. Now, I'm going to count from 5 to 1, and you will find yourself in a place you feel very relaxed and at ease. A place of comfort, calm, safety and security. 5, 4. Imagine it now. See it in front of you, like you're actually there. Picture it. Feel it. That's right, you're there now. 3. Brilliant. 2. You're in a calm, incredible place. 2 and 1. You are there now. See what you see or feel what you feel. Feel the feelings of calm, security and tranquility. I'm going to ask you some questions now, and you will reply to the best of your ability, so we see how your subconscious mind is responding today. Just there now in the place of calm, of comfort. I'm going to ask you questions and you can speak back to me. You could answer me, okay? Nod yes if you understand. Okay, very good. Where are you now, Ricky? In this place of calm.
Light, koċ dawl.
Koċ dawl, tajjeb.
Waves ta' dawl.
Waves ta' dawl, tajjeb. Waves ta' dawl. U kif qed iħossok f'dal ambjent ta' waves ta' dawl?
At peace and harmony.
At peace. And
bliss u love.
And harmony. Bliss and love.
U sens ta' paċi kbir.
Brilliant. Very good.
Id-dawl u radjanti ħafna.
Wow. Talġen. Radiant. Radiant white light. Very good. Issa ftakar dan id-dawl, okay? Ħalli fl-aħħar tas-session nużaw dan id-dawl biex inġibuk iħossok tal-ġen, f'paċi, illum, għada u l-kumplament ta' ħajtek. Very good. Now take that radiant white light and allow it to fill in every cell, every nerve of your body. Intensify it, double it. 2 times stronger, 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 stronger now. That's right. Put a smile on your face and feel the peace coming from this cosmetic universe. Feel it now. It's gonna help us discover your past life. Very good. I want you to imagine now that from this place of white light, you're gonna go down a flight of stairs. ħatinżel taraġġ. U dan it-taraġġ quddiemek ser isib bieb. U x'hen ħatiftaħ dan il-bieb. Se ssib ruħek f'memorja sabiħa, f'memorja li s-subkonxju tiegħek ħatiftakar meta kont għadek tifel, xi 5, between 5 and 8. Okay? Tajjeb. Niżel dan it-taraġġ 10. Immaġina dan it-taraġġ. Immaġinak niżel l-isfel. Down, down, down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ħoss l-enerġija speċi tinbidel. Qed tara lilek innifsek kif kont tidher meta kont għadek żgħir. Sejjer f'memorja sabiħa. A happy childhood memory. That's right. 4. You are there now. See it. Feel it. Imagine it. Listen to the sounds. 3. You are in a happy childhood memory, Ricky. 2, 1. You open the door. That's right, open the door. And you're in a happy childhood memory. You are there now. Nod your head if you are there. Give me a signal. Good, brilliant. Can you describe a bit this childhood memory for me, please, Ricky? Tista' tiddiskrivja x'inti tara fejn qiegħed?
Meta kont immur ma ssir kien imur ħdej ħuħ jonsob ħaġarqin. Jien ovvjament ma kontx inħobb la safari naraħħom jiġu maqbudin.
Eżatt.
Kont nitlaq noqgħod indur inħufek u kont noqgħod ġol qamħoli, kien hemm il-qamħoli miżruħ.
Iva.
Kont noqgħod ġo fih bil-qiegħda nalab miegħu. U ħares lejn fil għall-baħar faċċata hekk.
Wow.
U f'dak il-kwiet hekk dik ix-xemx fuq dik it-temperatura eżatti, naqab briż aktar riħa għaddejja.
Wow.
Id-dawl tax-xemx abjad hekk. Dik hija happy memory ħafna.
Proset.
Kont inħossni li tipo jisu dak l-ambjent, dik dawk huma vera l-origins tiegħi minn vera minn fejn ġejt ommi missieri, minn vera familti. Ironically dak il-Mother Nature biex niftieq.
Mother Nature. Very good.
I was home there.
You were home there. It's part of who you are.
Hemmhekk kont vera nsib home.
Proset, Ricky.
Tgħid li fejn hu home ngħidlek hemm.
Proset, Ricky, proset. Tajjeb ħafna. Now, keep seeing and feeling this childhood memory. Make it bigger and brighter. Let it fill your heart with love. Let the healing light surround you. And feel it and see it now. Getting stronger and stronger, iktar qawwija din is-saħħa. Dan is-sens ta' qiegħed home. Is-subkonxju llum qed ifakrek affarijiet sbieħ ta' min inti vera inti fl-essence tiegħek. Għax dawn it-tip ta' sessions huma sessions li jgħinuk tikkonnektja ma' memorji mis-subkonxju tiegħek. Proset. Kif ser not minn 1 sa 5 ser timmaġinak qiegħed quddiem bieb u ser tiftaħ dan il-bieb u ser nigwidak biex tibda tiftakar past life jew xi memorja li hija importanti għalik li s-subkonxju tiegħek irridek tiftakar. 1 2 qed tara dan il-bieb qed tħossok nieżel l-isfel qed tħossok dieħel f'dinja tas-subkonxju f'dinja fejn hemm endless possibilities, f'dinja li m'hemmx barriers, f'dinja spiritwali b'saħħitha. 3 qed tħoss l-enerġija tiegħek teħfief. Qed tibda tara ċertu memorji u images issa. 4 5 You are there now. Open the door. U madwarek tara ħafna ċpar, fog. Hija timdawwar b'ħafna ċpar. U dak iċ-ċpar hija jisparixxi. Proset. U issa s-subconscious tiegħek sar jibda jtik images, feelings, sensations, emozzjonijiet. You are there now in one of your past lives. Very good. Just let it absorb. And I'm going to ask you some questions so we start to make sense out of everything you might be experiencing right now. Okay. Is it daytime or nighttime where you're at?
Daytime.
Daytime, very good. Are you inside or outside?
Outside Jobosk.
Outside Jabosk, okay. Can you look at your shoes tista' tħares lej iż-żarbun forsi li bes xi tip ta' żarbun etniku?
Jistu sandli antik.
Jistu sandli antik. Okay. Proset. Hemm nies miegħek, there is people around you, or are you alone?
Waħdi.
Waħdek. Proset. Jekk ikollok taħseb inti kont mara jew raġel?
Raġel.
Raġel. Proset. Tista' forsi tħares lejn idejk jew forsi x'karnaġġon kont?
Abjad.
Abjad. Tajjeb. U dan il-bosk forsi jfakrek f'xi pajjiż?
Scotland.
Scotland. Very good. Scotland. Right. Very good. Hemm xi feelings partikolari li din il-persuna li forsi kont inti fil-passat qed iħoss jew
Kont fighter ġellit.
kont fighter ġellit. Very good. Fighter ġellit. Proset. Żomm din il-memorja issa u ser not minn 1 sa 5. U se tmur in a significant moment in this lifetime ta' dan il-ġellit Skoċċiż f'dan il-bosk. Ser tmur f'mument importanti ta' din il-ħajja. Dan il-moment li ser tiftakar huwa wieħed mill-iktar momenti importanti u li ħajkun ta' tagħlim għalik bħala dil physical form bħala Ricky. 1. 2. Allow your subconscious mind to not judge anything to bring up images, feelings, sensations. 3. You are there now in a significant moment in time. See it, feel it, believe it now. 4. 5. On the click of my fingers you will be there. You are there now. Allow images, feelings, sensations to come up now. That's right. Brilliant. I'm going to ask you the same questions so we make sense out of this picture, out of this memory. Is it daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Daytime. Are you inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside. Are you in the same place or a different place?
No, jett qoddim Kastilja.
Okay.
Fil-pjazza.
Okay, very good. Can you see what you're wearing or x'int liebes?
Siwt pulit.
Siwt pulit, okay, very good. Very good. Any feelings, sensations, emotions li qed tħoss f'din il-forma?
Leta.
Tajjeb. Tista' torsi tara żarbun?
Zarbun iswed pulit.
Iswed pulit, proset. Very good. Very good. Tajjeb. Issa ser immorru fi stampa oħra. We're gonna go in another image, feeling, memory. I want you to imagine now that you're floating outside of your body and you're going backwards, like going back in a timeline, and you are going to go in the moment where you have passed away in that lifetime. You will be completely safe, completely secure. You have already reincarnated in a different form, so that's okay. And you will see how you have passed away, how you have died. This will give you a sense of closure from your past life. 1, 2. Imagine and see yourself now, the picture, the image that you have passed away. 4. You are there now, you're actually seeing things right now. They're beginning to form like distant memories. Memories that you've had in this lifetime. Memorji li kellek f'din il-lifetime. 5. You are there now. You are there now. See yourself, feel yourself, how you have passed away. This is very important to get closure and to build your self-development. Very good. Where you are there, please give me any sort of sign so I know. Good. Very good. I'm going to ask you the same routine questions so we elicit and make sense out of it. Is it daytime or nighttime?
Le ġo dimensjoni astratta.
Okay, proceed.
Għandek il-vjola skur unfolding ġo vjoli uħor ġo vjoli uħor ek.
Proceed.
Fin kollu ek sejra xena.
Tajjeb. Proceed.
Memx esperienza umana f'dil ħaġa.
Exactly. U hemm xi feelings, sensations li qed tħoss? Depthness. Interesting. Ġifieri milli qed nifhmek sewwa qed toħossok isek diġà jgħid fid-dinja spiritwali. Mhux fid-dinja umana. Proset.
Vjola, kollu vjola. Iżak għandek black hole ma bil-kontra, il-background iswed kollu, il-black hole hija vjola.
Makes sense. Proset ħafna. Proset, għandna jigsaw puzzle tajba ħafna. Ma lissa nixtieqek terġa' timmaġina, okay? Tħalli din il-memorja u nixtieqek terġa' timmaġina dawl abjad, healing white light, okay? A healing white light. I want you to imagine now, Ricky, a healing white light coming from the top of your head. See it now. A spiritual, amazing white light from the top of your head. That's right. Coming down your throat, your eyes, healing your chakras, your root chakra, your throat chakra, your third eye, everything in balance. Allow this white light to balance you. It makes you feel so good right now. It makes you feel amazing. Tħossok tal-ġen, tħossok tajjeb ħafna. Dan id-dawl abjad jiddi. Ara dan id-dawl jibbilanċjak, balancing you, going through your arms, through your legs, through your knees, through your tiptoes. That's right. Your body getting heavier and heavier and heavier. You feel calm and confident in all situations. You feel at one with the universe. You feel satisfied with all the great memories and jigsaw puzzles you've discovered today. It feels so amazing to know that you are a spiritual being and a human body. Float, drift, dream. You are feeling better and better day by day. From this moment on, you will feel calm, collected, at one with the universe. Your heart is big, open. You heal from any past hurts. You know you are able to conquer anything you set your mind to. You are a confident, strong human being who knows the depths of his mind, body and soul. Let this white light, let the energy from my voice create an amazing reality for you. You are calm, confident, strong. You are so pleased with what you have discovered. Your subconscious mind is giving you hints of who you truly are. I'm so happy and grateful we had this experience, from being one with Mother Nature, to going up to the cosmos, to seeing yourself in the Scottish forest, and seeing maybe something that you wish to achieve. Incredible, amazing, fantastic. You, from this moment on, are becoming who you truly are. You believe in yourself, even more than you believe in yourself now. You like yourself, you love yourself. Just feel at one, feel balanced with the universe. Incredible, amazing. Now I'm going to give you a gift, a hypnotic gift. I'm going to do a future progression now with you, to see yourself achieving one of your goals. Set the intention. Life, as you know, because you love philosophy, it's all about the power of intention. I want you to set a strong, powerful intention. In Maltese we say, xi ħaġa illi tixtieq timmanifesta f'ħajtek. Xi ħaġa li tixtieq tagħmel bil-willpower u bl-għajnuna tal-univers. And I'm going to count now from 1 to 5. And you will imagine yourself going up a big marble steps. And in front of you, you will find 3 doors. One has 1 year in the future. The other one has 3 years in the future. And the other one is 5 years into the future. You will choose whichever one you want. You are ready now. Go up the marble stairs. Now you are feeling better than you were before. You're feeling more calm and connected with the universe. Go up those marble stairs, one by one, knowing what you hope to achieve. Choose the door now, big doors. 1 year, 3 years or 5 years. Open the doors of your choosing. Hypnotic experiences are not about control. They're about freedom of the mind. Choose which one you want. Open the door. That's right. That's right. Open the door and notice fog around you. And this fog starts to disappear. And images, feelings and sensations start to arise of you in the future. Brilliant. Marvelous. I'm so proud of you today. Now notice what you see. Where are you? What is your job? And who are you with? Notice what you see and feel. And now if you would like to share, you could describe what you are seeing and feeling now. Only if you want to share, Rick. If you want to keep it personal, just tell me, I want to keep it personal. If you are ready to share, Ricky, you could share what you are seeing and feeling. A goal, a hope, a dream, an aspiration.
Dawl, ta?
Dawl, very good. Dawl, proset.
Dawl abjad.
Dawl abjad. In the world of metaphors and symbolism, white light, means peace, harmony, strength within, self-discovery. So your subconscious mind, Ricky, wants you to pursue those goals of self-discovery, strength, health and vitality. And now just let that white light to enter your body. And even when I awaken you from this state, you will feel a sense of peace, calm, confidence, happy with the experience, happy with the moments we've spent together, happy with the feelings and symbolism of the subconscious mind. From this moment on, you will feel happy for no reason. You will feel a sense of smiling, and you will feel a sense of great calm and confidence. You will awaken when I count from 1 to 5. You feel so good. Put a smile on your face now. Put a smile on your face. Put a smile on your face. We went on an amazing journey today. Notice how relaxed your body feels. You will feel like you've slept a long, long sleep. You will feel great and fantastic. 1, 2. Notice that you have self-awareness. Aware of all the room around you. Aware of the space in this room. Although this room has a lot of instruments and instrument il-maġġoranza hija spazju, space, emptiness. Kif rajt f'waħda mill-memorji tiegħek. Emptiness. 3. Beginning to feel your body back again. Had an amazing experience. I'm so grateful and happy we had this together today. 5. That's right. And 4, 5. You could wake up now feeling great, happy, satisfied, feeling good, feeling amazing, feeling fantastic, feeling great.
Tista' tagħmel sagħti oħra hekk.
Bi proset. Kemm hu sabiħu?
Vera,
jinfen kbir ta' dawn l-affarijiet.
U nħeġġa l-kulħadd,
Ta' vera.
Relaxation ta' vera,
U stress relief. Għara nistaw nfejqu għal-sijata kiku jifmuni.
Vera,
It is very good. Kikum ma namlux jena dal-affarijiet. Amazing.
Jien konna għad ma għamilta u marriċ nkun naf xej u fuqa għalli ma niproġettax moħħi, fimt kif?
Isma, it's all about the power of belief. Power of belief. Power of suggestion and belief. You kont dead bik, u inti naħseb kont, forsi minna kelmu l-lat spirituali teorija, u kaj mux riferi ġuda. Naħseb inti kont old soul. Għax bdejt tara ħafna simbolizmu spirituali. Id-daw l-abjad, bdejt murġa l-violent white light, għax kien hemm ċertu għed Saint German. Kien ħafna antis fil-metafizika u kien jallem daw l-affarijiet u hekk. U kien nifejja in-nies bil-violet white light. U naħseb inti f'dir realm għalhekk ġejti sek attracted għal filosofija, kosmos, affarijiet hekk. Għax hemm xi ħaġa ġa fik illi kont xi ħaġa hekk. U għandek dal-fighter mentality u kollox kont fighter fil-passat li ma tiddejaq minn ħadd.
Ma tantx. Għax tiddejaq minn nies.
Aħobbiċ li rġarrak. Jien
vera ħanej.
Tajba.
Mir kod xol għamilha,